Hi friends, this video shows how to enable Picture Transfer Protocol PTP. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, then go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. Go down and find networking section. Under networking you can find select USB configuration. Select it. Then here we can select PTP, Picture Transfer Protocol. See. So this way we can enable Picture Transfer Protocol. Later if you want to disable, you can select another option from the list. See, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.